Hello everyone. Me and my teammate Jyoti and Aviral, we are presenting a NutriBot. It's a Discord bot for personalized recipe recommendation and nutritional analysis using USDA and Recipe 1F dataset. So talking about the objective of our project, is the development of the recommendation system that can generate a new recipe ideas based on users' dietary preference and restriction using the pre-trained bird model and Recipe One Plus and USDA National Nutrition Database datasets. So also we try to implement the recommendation system as a Discord bot that can interact with the user and provide them with a recipe suggestion along with the nutrition information. So talking about the statement of value, we are providing the accurate and personalized recipe recommendations based on the user's dietary preference, nutrition requirement, and ingredients available in the is the aim of our project. Our system offers an efficient and user-friendly interface that enables users to obtain recipe recommendations, nutrition information, and cooking instruction easily with few clicks and with saving the time and effort. And furthermore, our project is scalable, allowing the users to handle a large volume of user requests and data on nutrition and recipe preference, making it useful for a wide range of users.
Okay, so for review of the state of the art and relevant works, some of the papers that we looked into were Can a Chatbot Determine My Diet? Addressing Challenges of Chatbot Application for Meal Recommendations. So this paper, it mostly talked about challenges that technical, theoretical, behavioral, or social aspects that um, could be faced when trying to implement chatbots. And the paper proposed a pipeline as a guideline for developers to create robust chatbots. And the other paper was Food KG, a semantics-driven knowledge graph for food recommendation. And for this, like the paper talked about how it can be used for a variety of applications, including recipe recommendation system, data analysis, and food-related chatbots, with the knowledge graph constructed using combination of manual curation and automatic extraction from various data sources. And our architecture looks like this. So first there's data collection and pre-processing, and we're using the recipe 1M plus and USDA data sets. So from these data sets, the information is extracted and then tokenized, which is part of pre-processing. And then we load a pre-trained model, which is the bird-based model over here. We fine-tune it on the pre-processed data and then update the parameters. After training and optimizing, we receive the fine-tuned model, which will output the recipe with nutrients value. And then this is integrated with the Discord API chat interface, which allows us to use the chatbot, which can take the query and then output the recipe with the nutrients value. So this is what our data collection is like. For the data collection, we're using recipe 1M plus dataset and the USDA dataset. For the recipe 1M dataset, the dataset mostly consists of ingredients, URL, partition, title, ID, instructions as shown in the left. So partition is just train and test for this data set, train, set, and test it. And for USDA National Nutrition Database, it consists of ID, food groups, description, and then all of the other nutrients and its values and information.
So let's talk about the methodology involved in our project. So first of all, we tokenize the dataset that we have. That is, we're using recipe 1M plus dataset. So that was tokenized using the bird tokenizer. And then the pre-trained bird model was used for the recipe recommendation system. And it was fine-tuned on our recipe 1M plus dataset with an objective of max language modeling. So this model is capable of providing the personalized recipe based on the user prompts, and we have not included the nutrition information of the ingredients yet, but we are working on that. And for now, our data set is about 72,000 sentences, and it has only been trained on 9,000 sentences for now. We are training on the rest of the data. And the Discord API is used for integrating the chatbot into the Discord platform, and our model has been deployed there. Let's move on to the demo. So first of all, I'll show the code that is up and running. So if you'll see, this is how we are getting the instruction about the recipe and the recommended recipes. So we are using our pre-trained model. This is our pre-trained model, the pre-trained bot model that has been fine-tuned on our data. So I have already run the cell that is responsible for displaying the Discord. So this is the cell. This is the one. Let me take you to the Discord bot directly. So as you can see, I have entered, okay, so I can again say hello. So it says, what would you like to eat? I'd say chicken soup. So since the dataset is large, it may take quite a time. So I can show you other examples that's already been done. So I've said I'd like to make a cake. So it says here is a recipe you might like, and it gives recipes for the cookies for now. So yeah, we are done with this. The model has been implemented in the Discord, but we are yet to implement the nutrients information, and we are working on that. Thank you so much.